Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a much needed hot oil treatment for my hair. It's been about 2 weeks since I last straightened it, and let me tell you, my scalp is crying for some TLC. It's super dry, and I've even noticed a bit more breakage than usual. With my hair also being colored, this treatment is perfect for bringing it back to life by strengthening, nourishing, and hydrating each strand. Hot oil treatments are a game changer for promoting hair growth and maintaining strong and healthy hair, and that's today's goal. So let's get started. Today I'll be applying the oil to dry hair. Some people like to apply it to damp hair, and to be honest, it works well for both. I'm targeting some scalp issues today with flaking, dryness, and dandruff, so applying it to dry hair is the best in this case. When you have low porosity hair like mine, you don't need added water to help you soak in the hydration. To get started, I section my hair to get it prepped for the treatment. If your hair isn't detangled yet, make sure to do that step first. Since my hair is already straight, this part will be quick and easy for me. One of the best things about doing a hot oil treatment is that you can use whatever oil you want. Today I'm using flaxseed oil, stimulating hair growth oil, rosemary oil, Jamaican black castor oil, tea tree oil, and Moroccan oil. Next, I grab my funnel and pour all these oils into a cone bottle that I picked up from Shein. It's super convenient for applying the treatment directly to my scalp and hair. Jamaican black castor oil strengthens and thickens hair, and it's good for moisturizing dry hair. This is especially beneficial for natural hair, which tends to be drier. Rosemary oil improves blood circulation to the scalp, which helps nourish hair follicles and stimulate growth. It also strengthens hair and helps to reduce hair thinning and breakage. Do-Grow Stimulating Hair Oil contains ingredients that promotes hair growth, strengthens hair, and moisturizes and conditions. This oil also includes ingredients with anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, which can alleviate scalp irritation, dandruff, and itchiness. Flaxseed oil boosts moisture and shine while reducing frizz, and it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids and contains vitamin E, which promotes healthier and stronger hair follicles while reducing breakage. It also reduces inflammation, which can improve scalp health and potentially stimulate hair growth. Moroccan oil hydrates, adds shine, and reduces frizz. This makes it easier to manage and style natural hair. Tea tree oil promotes scalp health by reducing dandruff, and it also improves hair growth. All the oils I'm using today are safe for all hair types, including relaxed, natural, braided, and locked hair. Before applying, I add the oil to a pot of boiling water. I don't let it sit too long. Just because it's called hot oil treatment does not mean it should be extremely hot. It just needs to be a little warm. I start applying it to the scalp first, massaging it into the roots. This cone bottle is perfect for applying the oil directly to your scalp. I then start to smooth it into the hair cuticle. I'm sure to cover each part of my hair and make sure the oils are evenly distributed. I tried to twist my hair, but since my hair is straight, it's hard to stay twisted. So I just made 2 buns at the top. I used a full bottle of oil for the treatment. And now I'm just going to add a plastic shower cap to avoid the oil drip getting all over me. That may be the only thing I don't like about doing the oil treatment. It gets really messy and there's really no way to avoid it. Be sure to have a t-shirt that you don't mind getting oil on. To let the oil soak in, I let the shower cap stay on for about 25 to 30 minutes while I did some housework. And then I was ready to remove it. As soon as I removed the shower cap, I was ready for a wash. I was ready to clean up the stickiness from the oil. I could tell a difference in the shower with my wash. The brush was gliding right through my hair with ease. The hot oil treatment left my hair smooth, shiny, and hydrated. It definitely brought my hair back to life. Now I'm confident that the next natural hairstyle I do will come out amazing due to this treatment. If this video was useful and it helped to encourage you to do hot oil treatments, be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye, y'all.